This is your boy Ketutula Mkuno. So today we're gonna share the young interviewers about it. So you have to come with me, Buffet. Zogalan. Except chance. Okay, come back right. Sexy Buffet. So guys, I'm gonna tell you a joke, Buffet. Name. So guys, name for my opinion, no nong. So let me just check on Alana Buffet name. Okay, so guys, I'm having like 500 bricks on the plane. So, 501 bricks on the plane name. One of the bricks name falls on the earth surface name. Yeah. So, okay, one of the bricks name falls on the earth surface name. How many bricks there are left there?
Wait, you've got
501 bricks.
500.
Yeah.
Wait.
On the plane.
On the plane.
Yeah.
And then
One of the bricks fall on the earth surface. Yeah. How many bricks are left there?
I just arrived. Is the president coming? I just arrived.
500. That's the final answer.
wait. Let me think.
501. Yeah. 500. No, that's correct. 500
I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting cooked.
bricks left. Right. Yeah. 500
Okay,
bricks.
God have mercy upon us.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. I want to ask you this question: how do you put an elephant on a freezer? I can't. On a freezer.
Is that a wrong dog or it's just a question?
It's a question.
You can't.
I can't. That's the final answer. Okay, guys, name. In order for you to put an elephant on the freezer, you need to open the freezer and put an elephant. Then you close the freezer. That's how you put an elephant in the freezer. Yeah, it is. Nice, yeah. Okay. How do you put a giraffe on the freezer?
Maraduza. Just open the fridge, take out the elephant, then put the giraffe.
Exactly. Exactly.
What if it was
Okay.
a different scenario? What if there was nothing in the fridge?
We don't care. Let me tell you, we don't care.
Yeah. Okay. Let me continue. The lion is having a huge party. The lion is having a huge party. All the animals are there except one animal. What is the animal?
Giraffe. Giraffe.
That's the final.
Yeah, giraffe. Elephant.
Yeah. That's correct. It's giraffe. The giraffe is on the freezer.
So this is a sequence of like questions based on these two animals.
Yeah. Okay, guys. I met this guy called Umbali. So Mbali is crossing a river that is full of alligators and crocodiles. But she died while crossing the river. Why she died?
The river was full of alligators.
She can't die because I'm animals are quite good parties.
Exactly. Yeah. All the animals are on the. So why did Mbali died?
Maybe she drowned.
She drowned. No, she was hit by the breeze from the airplane.
Yeah, nah, school boy.